Let's do this. So I did this video, I think it was last year. I don't think it was 2 years ago. I literally can't remember though. I did like, if you're going on a European summer vacation or just like someplace hot for a while this summer, I want to do an outfits video just based on what would fit in my carry-on suitcase. So all this fits in my carry-on suitcase. Only one of those shoes fits in the carry-on suitcase. I would wear my sneakers on the plane. And I haven't decided which like fancy shoe I want to do yet, so we'll get there. I thought it'd be fun to revisit this video again and do it a little bit differently because last time when I did this video, and you guys really liked it, last time I did this video, we did like re-wearing a lot of the pieces. And I'm gonna be so honest, in Europe in the summer, well, okay, I studied abroad in Italy, and so I was in like that area, mostly just Italy. I can go into Croatia also. It was freaking hot, and you couldn't rewear your pieces over and over like from day to day because they'd be sweaty and stinky. So I kind of wanted to focus on doing more statement pieces that were like one-offs, not really having to do too much to the outfit. We have some simple outfits in there also, but just kind of a different take on that video. So this one we're focusing more on just like some cool pieces to style, and that will be really easy to wear when you're on your vacation. The other thing that I didn't really do in my last video, I feel like I wasn't very sensible with the shoe. We're gonna try and style like my comfy Asics with all these outfits and see how they look. When I was studying abroad in Italy, all the locals especially wore sneakers every single day. They didn't really wear another shoe, but I know that sometimes we like to like, you know, get dressed up when we're on vacation, so we're gonna do that also. If you had laundry, awesome. You can still watch my old video because I think it has amazing outfits, but we're just changing it up because why make the same video twice exactly the same? Before we get into this video though, I did want to say thank you so much to Fabrique and Simple Retro for sponsoring. So we'll show some of their pieces and style them. Let's do it. I got my energy drink because I'm freaking tired. Kind of think I just want to like play music and put on outfits and dance around. Like, does that sound okay to you guys? I know you guys like when I talk, but sometimes I'm just like so sick of my own voice. I didn't want to talk, but I'm gonna give you guys a voiceover as a compromise. Here I am styling my Fabrique dress. So I wanted to talk a little bit about Fabrique as a brand. They're a collective designer brand collaborating with over 300 global designers. As the video goes on, you'll see on screen where each item is from and who exactly it's designed by, which is just so cool to have that insider scoop on every single piece. And if you guys want a 12% off, you can use my discount code or use the link in the description box. Make sure to shop my selected items. You're gonna see them a lot in this video and then also in upcoming videos, and I've worn them in the past. This one is a really beautiful linen blend. I paired it with the little metallic shoes to make it a more night out look, and I love that sweater because it seems like such a statement, but it really goes with so many of my pieces. Then I have another top by Fabrique, and then this simple retro skirt I've been wearing absolutely non-stop. Same shoes, same purse. As you'll see, we're only rotating 2 shoes and 1 purse that, to make it more daytime, I make it crossbody, which also just makes you less susceptible to pickpocketing. And for nighttime, I just put it on the shoulder because it feels a little bit more fancy. We switched out the shoes and the look immediately becomes a daytime wearable. Then with my capris, same Fabrique shirt in this really pretty like lace looking but cotton blend. It looks like a butter yellow on video, but it's almost like a cream in between color. I like that I can dress it up and dress it down. Here we paired it down with these little plaid shorts and the sneakers, and then here we have the matching plaid short set, which is perfect for like a sweltering hot day. I don't know, just being really casual. Then I put on this tiered skirt from Fabrique that you guys have been seeing nonstop on my channel. I love it so much. I think it's so cute with the sneakers. It's part of a set, which you guys will see the top in a little bit. And if you guys watch my videos, you've seen it before on my channel, but I like pairing it with anything. I was just so obsessed with this combo of the shoes and the skirt. I like it really dressed up, and I just like how these metallic shoes go with everything, even though they're such a statement. I'm really feeling myself in these outfits. Then this is a dress from Simple Retro that I got a while ago, and you guys have seen it on my Instagram or on my YouTube channel if you guys follow me either places. And here we styled it as a skirt, and then there we go, pulled it up into the full dress. I love this polka dot dress. Anytime I go on vacation now, I bring it, so of course it had to make it in this video. I like mixing the patterns of the stripes and the polka dots. We've got the Fabrique sweater and the simple retro dress. So cute together. This dress can just be paired so many ways. You've seen it now with heels and sneakers. I wear it with loafers, my Doc Martens, with cowboy boots, my Fry boots. Absolutely anything goes with this polka dot dress. I layer like t-shirts over it sometimes. Obviously you can wear it as a skirt. Fuel up, let's do it. As I'm filming this voiceover, I wore this dress today and I got so many compliments on it, and I didn't even know in the video it has pockets. So this one is another Fabrique dress. I wore it exactly like this today, this exact outfit, and so many compliments on it. I adore it. Then I paired the little simple retro top over it, and I don't know why I didn't think I would be as obsessed with this top as I am. Normally I don't like a high neckline like that with like such little straps, but I think it's so flattering. I don't know, like the wide cut of the neck, it just looks so perfect. To balance out the white on top, I decided to pair my little white socks with the heels, and I think that worked really well. Then we've got the Fabrique top. This is like a tweed, most beautiful purple color ever. I think lavender is my color. I want to do a color analysis so bad, but do I even need it? Because I think this is my color. Then I paired it with the simple retro skirt again. It's got those front pockets that I've been talking about in my trend prediction video. This denim skirt also does. This one's from Fabrique. I also just really like how the buttons from the top to the skirt make a really pretty like line silhouette, draws your eyes, tells them where to go. Pairing it down with the sneakers, perfect. Then another little button top from Simple Retro that we saw before. Added a little scarf around my head. This one's just thrifted, and that other little scarf that you saw is also thrifted. With the Asics, super dressed down but so comfy. I'm really happy with how the sneakers paired with all these pieces. That sweater back on, full fabric look. The little metallic shoes just go so well with the sweater, and I'm gonna wear it so much. Oh my god, I fell in love with this top in this video. I can't wait to wear it every single way. I think it is so cute and vintage looking with a little pair of capris. The top is the matching set to that skirt from Fabrique, and I think that with like the little kitten heels, oh my god, it's so cute. Then I really didn't style the jean shorts too many ways because you can wear them with any shirt that you pack basically, but I thought the shirt, I just had to show it. I am obsessed with this look. Oh my gosh, I'm not normally one for like my belly wide out, but like the top is so poofy and elegant. I just think it's so beautiful. And then this, like, come on, you're telling me you're going to Europe and you're not gonna have this set? Like, you have to. And with the headband bandana, oh my god, so cute. Again, Fabrique set with the sneakers, it's perfect. With the little ballet flats, it's perfect. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, but I'm wearing this outfit, so like I just can't get over how cute it is. You can pull it up, pull it down. I like it low-waisted, showing off my belly. Then another little simple retro dress. This one's just all black and a really pretty silhouette. I packed so many crazier pieces or statement pieces. I feel like a little black dress is always a good way to go. I really like the midi dresses for travel. You just know you're covered, comfortable, good to go. Here's another simple retro dress. This one's floral, absolutely perfect. Like, you can't go wrong with sneakers and a floral dress. Especially if you're going into like churches or, you know, tours and stuff, sometimes you have to be covered, and a lot of these pieces, you know, would fit that criteria. I like the socks with the shoes. I like that these shoes could look so different, or like a ballet flat could look so different just with the socks. I think that's really important, that you can get so many looks out of one pair of shoes. Then this dress is so beautiful. When I put it on, my daughter just kept calling it a tutu and making me spin around, so it's Lucy approved. Can I help you? With the sweater, I think it's really cute. The sweater and the shoes just make anything go together. Adorable. And then back to the sneakers, deciding if I need a bandana. You gotta pull out the hair to make it look right, and adorable. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to shop any of the pieces that I talked about, you can use the link in the description box and use my code to get a % off Simple Retro and Fabrique. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.